Today we have a new dashcam to test out. This time it's a more affordable dashcam, the 70mai A200. Before we took a look at the 70mai Omni as well as the 70mai 4K Omni rotating dashcams, those are excellent dashcams, but they're a little bit on the premium side. If you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, this 70mai A200 might be the perfect dashcam for you. So based on our test, here are the cool features that it has. First of all, it does come with a 2-inch screen at the back. That way you can monitor how it records the angle and all those. There's also buttons right here for you to quickly access everything on the dashcam, the settings. This lens right here can even rotate. That way you get the perfect angle. And this even comes with a dual channel recording setup, meaning you can actually wire the second camera to the back of your vehicle. That way you record both the front as well as the back. And this can shoot up to 1080p full HD as well as HDR. So everything is really clear. Now, usually when you go for more affordable dash cams, they aren't really the best when it comes to clarity, especially during the nighttime. But with the 70mai A200, even during night shooting, it still is really clear, which really impressed us. Now, this also comes with a 24-hour parking surveillance function as well as an emergency recording function. So as long as you wire this directly to your battery via the optional hardwire kit, it will continuously record to make sure that your car is safe all the time. And you can even link it to your 70mai app on your smartphone, and it will give you real-time updates in case there is a collision. It's also pretty easy to find those collision videos because it will be saved in a separate event folder. So yeah, you have evidence immediately. Now, aside from that, the 70mai A200 also comes with loop recording. So let's say you use a smaller SD card capacity. Don't worry because it will automatically delete the older files. This way you get continuous recording all the time. Although I still do recommend you use a higher capacity SD card.
So now we test out the 70mai A200's internal microphone, and I'm just speaking using my regular voice, how I would speak to my passenger. I am here at the driver's seat. This is a BYD Line 6, so the distance should be around half a meter or so, probably a little bit less than that from the camera.
In case you're into time-lapse recording, you also have a time-lapse recording function in here. This means that it compresses hours of video and footage into one shorter video. That way you can easily monitor things. And finally, this one even comes with a broader language selection compared to before. So in case you're watching this video and you don't speak English and you're only reading the auto-translated captions, well, now there's a lot of languages to choose from for you to operate your 70mai A200. Now for a very important thing that we haven't discussed, the price. Did you know that the 70mai A200 costs below 5,000 pesos? So it represents excellent value. And for that price, you can have a branded dashcam with dual cameras and even a screen and up to 128 gigs of micro SD memory. Remember, it even comes with night owl vision and even a 24-hour parking surveillance monitor. So all in all, we would say that the 70mai A200 is a great dashcam that shoots video well both in the daytime as well as in the nighttime, and it is pretty affordable too. So if you're interested, just click the product links down below for you to be able to pick up your next affordable but very, very high quality and clarity 70mai A200 dashcam.